single strokes. Probably actually the only rudiment you're going to need, but it's definitely going to be the first one that you learn. And it is quite simply right, left, 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 right. You get my point. Ad nauseum. Now, there is a knack to single strokes. First of all, you've got to think about what we call, or I call, gear changes. Because, yes, we're going right, left, right, left. And at slow to medium tempos like that, you're going to be using mostly wrist. Keeping the thumb and index finger around the stick and then having loose-ish grip with the fingers, nice and open. Don't be afraid to get lots of height. And as you get a bit more comfortable with how the stick feels in your hand, bring down the volume. I suggest to practice this, you play 3 beats of 8th notes and then 4 16th notes. I know it's confusing. Bear with me. So we're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's it. So 2, 3, 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and The key is to keep the volume of both rights and lefts and different speeds exactly the same. And so you're going to play once quiet, once kind of medium dynamic, and then once nice and loud, and then bring it back down to medium again. So you'll get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Loop that over and over again, and you'll kill 2 birds with 1 stone, not only being able to play some nice single strokes, but to be able to play them evenly, dynamically. We like that. Now, as we get faster, and this isn't directly applicable if you're brand new, but I'm just telling you ahead of time, as we get faster, our motions get smaller. Notice my wrist. When we're going for slower notes, we're coming from the wrist. But as we transition to a faster tempo, you'll notice it goes less wrist and actually more to the fingers, like this. So. Still wrist. Over. That's just something to think about. I'm not going to go into any more depth about that. So there you have it. Single strokes, probably one of the most important rudiments to get down and to learn. So there you have it. Have a good day.